In this video, I'll be showing how to check single doors in a sales model if they have at least a 3-foot door opening width, and double doors if they have at least a 6-foot opening width. Now open up your sales model and click on one of the doors, and let's use this one for an example. And what you want to look for right here on the properties tab section is the door opening width. Now per ADA, 3 feet is the smallest width that you can model a door in, or you can build a door in per ADA standards. So here we can see that the door is 2 feet 3 7/4 inch, which is smaller than 3 feet. So we can note that this door is not modeling correctly, and you can check that with every door. For example, this door again, it's now within 3 feet. So, and then this door again, it's now within 3 feet. So yeah, you want to do that all around and check. And if you want to note that they are wrong, the best way to do that is select the frame, and then over here we select incomplete frames. Now this just shows a visual representation that there's something wrong with this unit, and so we click on that, and then on the door in the comments we say less than 3 feet opening width. And we want to do that to all the doors that's less than 3 feet, single doors that are less than 3 feet. Now for the double doors, let's look for a double door. Now we can see that this project doesn't really have a double door, but basically the process will be the same. You want to look for the opening width and make sure that it's 6 feet and not less than that. If it's less than that, you have to do the same thing. Comment or put an X on the unit that it rests on, and then comment on the door, put a comment that says less than 6 feet opening width. And yeah, that's it.